Hello friends and welcome to another new video of the Mindfeed. In this video we are going to see how to install or how to add a WhatsApp chat button on your WordPress website, which something will look like this, as you can see. And if I click it, it will go to the WhatsApp web application, or what we call as WhatsApp application for the Android devices, and for the desktop it will go on WhatsApp web. So basically you just need to click, the customer or the visitors will click here and they can chat us through WhatsApp. So we will be getting all the track and details of the customer through this. So it's pretty simple to add such kind of beautiful plugin to your WordPress website. So the first thing you need to do is you need to just log into your dashboard and go to add new plugin, and under here you just need to enter WA chat. So once you enter it, or you can enter WhatsApp, so its name is something, yeah, WAME chat, this one. So you just need to install and activate this plugin. Once it is installed and activated, you can see that plugin under the settings and WV chat. So here you can see that the general settings. The first thing you need to do is you need to select your country and put the mobile number whichever you want to use for your WordPress website WhatsApp, or whether on which number you are want to receive your messages. Then here the customer will send us this kind of message. Means if a customer click on that WhatsApp button, he will be redirected to URL through that WhatsApp, and we will receive this message, hi etc, our site name, I need more information about, and the site name. So we can understand that he is a customer. If you are using a simple single number for your personal WhatsApp and the professional WhatsApp, then in this case you will be requiring something to identify he has arrived here from your website. So this kind of things or the message can be used for this. Also, now if your organization is larger and bigger and you want multiple WhatsApp number or the multiple people to chat, so you just need to purchase this premium and you can add unlimited numbers, how much number you want. So it will just randomly distribute the what you call as customers to your agents, so that you can get easy and well sorted support system. So now if you don't want to display this on your website or sorry desktop mode, so you can simply just click on this. This will just show on your mobile devices, and also you can set the position left, right, and all these things. Now this is all optional. Like if you want to get a little bit of branding over here, so you can add something like this round logo to your WhatsApp, so that if you observe properly in the beginning, it slowly change its color, and it sometimes show as a WhatsApp default logo, and after some time it show as my logo, which is like you see that the Digital Print India. So it gives a little bit, the blinking thing gives gains the more attention of the customer, so that he can look over it what it is really. So he will just click on that, and then he can reach to you. Similarly, you can just add a custom message like here, if I click here, or it will pop like need help. So something like this, and if I now save it, you can see the changes. So you can also set here like hello, how can I help you, or something like this. So this will just automatically sent by the system. So you can see here like need help, these things. So it is pretty helpful, so this time, to gain customer attention. And once this is done, you can also set the button delay by, like I have set it for 3 seconds, because usually once the site is loaded, the content loaded with the site won't be much observing, rather than the content which has will arrive after this. So this is you can set accordingly. Then the WhatsApp app, so you can just keep it or unkeep it. Like if you want, if you just click it on desktop, there should be opening WhatsApp app, or you don't want it, so you can just untick it, and then just says you that what it should be done once it is clicked. Like I enter the open chat. So this type of things you can set according to you. Then there is a notification balloon, so which will show you like messages notification, rather than opening a window for it. So it's your choice what to do or not. And also it is you can set the auto detect mode, whether to select, like some people have the dark theme over it on your desktop mobile, so they can use this, and it can be detected through our system. Also there is one more tab, which is an advanced system. So in an advanced system, you can set the button on total global site, means all the site, or you can just simply set on some particular pages requirement, depending upon your need. Like you can set on the page on the like chat, or what you call as, you can dedicate a page where you can set as the chat. So once it is done, you just need to click the save changes each time you change these tabs. So that's it for this video. I hope this video might be helpful for you, and you will get more customer through this. I personally gain a lot of customer because of this, because the WhatsApp is one of the most installed app on the mandatory application on everyone's phone. So it gives you like a little bit boost, and it gives you better conversion rate in terms of your business. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question and queries, comment down below. And if you have watched this video till now and haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do subscribe. We keep making such kind of informational and helpful videos, so that you can get your things upgraded, and you can get a better customer retention, gain, and all these things. So guys, thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye. Next video.